Mr. Deputy Speaker, I'm being tempted with something a little more exotic here, but I'm going to stick to plain water. But I did take the precaution. I did take the precaution of asking my right honourable friend to bring a packet of cough sweets, just in case. Mr. Deputy Speaker, I shall...
Order. I think it might be a hearing aid we all need if this continues. Chancellor the Exchequer.
Mr. Deputy Speaker, I shall first report to the House on the economic forecasts of the independent OBR. This is the bit with the long economic-y words in it. Once again, I thank Robert Choate and his team for their hard work over the last few weeks.